Hey, Bill here with 30 Minute Woodshop. Thanks for joining. So, Christmas is just around the corner and there's just enough time to wrap up a couple more small projects. Today I want to show you how to make a decorative sled. So just something you could throw next to your fireplace as a little decoration. All right, pretty cool and very easy to build. So like always, go down here to 30minutewoodshop.com and you can find a dimension sketch, all right, for one of these things. Super easy to build. You can build this literally in a matter with a jigsaw. You can build this in a matter of literally probably 15-20 minutes. What I'm using here is some stock 1x3, a couple of pieces that are about with these 30 inches long or so, 34 inches long, and a stock 1x12, which is like 11.5 inches by 23 inches long. So perfect for all this project. We're going to do very little work to this thing, to be honest with you. We're going to cut some curves, glue it together, and then paint it. So let's get busy. Okay, layout here is super easy. All I'm using is a 5-gallon jug top, 5-gallon bucket top. I'm just going to lay it in here and draw a couple lines. There we go, got that one. Now for the back, very similar. I'm just using a peanut butter top. I want a couple things to happen here. And all I'm doing is and there we go. With all that done, I'm going to tape these two pieces together with two-phase tape, take it over to the bandsaw, and I'm going to trim these pieces off. All right, let's get over to do some cutting. Before I head over there, I'm going to put in a couple more decorative scallops and things. So what I'm going to do is basically take this paint can, I'm going to center it, and use it as my curve. And there we go. That's one piece, and then I'm just going to throw this. Again, I'm using this top just to give me a bit of a curve here. And there we go. That's the front, and I put some scallops back here using the same technique. Pretty straightforward. Now I'm going to get over there and start cutting. So I've got everything cut out, and I've done a little bit of work here with a file just to shape these a little better. Now what I want to do is I want to round all the corners using an 1/8 inch round over bit. Okay, with all these rounded off, next I want to do a quick sand job. Get these looking good. got this thing laid out. I've got the pieces glued, so I have glue under here. And now I'm going to screw it together with these finished screws. They just have a tiny head on them. So I'll screw this thing down, man. Woohoo! There we go. Let's get some paint on this thing. What I've done here is I've mixed up some red paint with some water. I'm just going to put a red wash on this. Something a little festive. So let's have at it. What a sweet little Christmas project. And a fast and easy project too. I'd say this was a lot of fun to build. It's very quick. All right, the longest thing here is the paint drying. And because I used a wash, that dried it really fast. So I'm really happy with it. It's going to look good by the fireplace. And I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas. All right, now, as always, you can find the dimension sketch. Just go down here to 30minutewoodshop.com. Check that out. Also at the bottom, if you hit more, you'll find other links to some of the other stuff I do, along with tools and things that I use. You might find those interesting. And hey, if you got something out of this, do me a favor, hit like and subscribe. And until next time, good making.